When homeowners in High Springs think about boosting property value, big projects like kitchen remodels or room additions often come to mind. But one of the most effective, and often overlooked, upgrades is installing a new door. Whether it's a front entry door, patio door, or interior replacement, new door installation can make a noticeable difference in how your home looks, feels, and appraises. Here's how upgrading your doors can directly increase your property value in High Springs. First impressions matter more than you think. Your front door is one of the first things people notice about your home. A worn, outdated, or damaged door can instantly make a property feel neglected. On the other hand, a modern, well-installed door creates a strong first impression and signals that the home is well cared for. In High Springs, where charm and curb appeal play a big role in buyer interest, a stylish entry door can set your home apart. Real estate professionals often point out that buyers form opinions within seconds, and a new door helps ensure those opinions are positive. Improved energy efficiency adds real value. Old doors often have gaps, poor seals, or outdated materials that let air escape. New door installation improves insulation, helping keep homes cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. For buyers, this translates into lower energy bills and a more comfortable living space. Energy-efficient upgrades are especially appealing to today's buyers, many of whom are looking for homes that reduce long-term costs. Even if you're not selling right away, improved efficiency adds practical value that you'll enjoy every day. Enhanced security increases buyer confidence. A new door doesn't just look better, it performs better. Modern doors come with stronger materials, reinforced frames, and advanced locking systems. This added security is a major selling point, particularly for families or buyers relocating to the area. In High Springs, where buyers often look for peaceful, safe communities, visible security upgrades help reassure potential buyers that the home is protected. That peace of mind can directly influence perceived value and willingness to pay a higher price. Updated style matches modern buyer preferences. Design trends change, and doors are no exception. Replacing an outdated door with a modern design can instantly refresh the entire exterior or interior of your home. From clean-lined fiberglass doors to elegant glass inserts or sleek sliding patio doors, updated styles appeal to a wider range of buyers. Even interior door upgrades can boost value by creating a more cohesive, updated look throughout the home. Small visual improvements often make spaces feel newer and more luxurious without major renovations. Higher appraisal potential. Professional appraisers consider overall condition, functionality, and upgrades when determining a home's value. New door installation checks all those boxes. It improves functionality, enhances aesthetics, and signals recent investment in the property. While a new door alone won't double your home's value, it can contribute to a higher appraisal when combined with other well-maintained features. It also helps prevent deductions that appraisers might make for visible wear and tear. Faster sales and stronger offers. Homes with visible upgrades tend to sell faster and attract stronger offers. Buyers are often willing to pay more for move-in ready homes that don't require immediate repairs or replacements. New doors eliminate one more to-do item from a buyer's list. In competitive High Springs real estate markets, that advantage can make a real difference, especially when buyers are comparing similar properties. A smart investment for High Springs homeowners. New door installation is a relatively affordable upgrade with a high return on investment. It improves curb appeal, energy efficiency, security, and overall aesthetics, all key factors that influence property value. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to invest wisely in your home, upgrading your doors is a practical, customer-focused improvement that pays off. In High Springs, where charm and comfort matter, a new door can be the upgrade that opens the door to higher value.